We'll delve into the fascinating world of mind mapping, a powerful tool that holds the potential to elevate your decision-making skills and ignite your creative spark. Have you ever found yourself facing a complex decision or grappling with a creative block, unsure of where to begin? What if I told you there's a method that not only organizes your thoughts, but also unleashes your creativity? We unlock the secrets of mind mapping, an innovative technique that can transform the way you approach decision-making and unleash your creative potential. The art of mind mapping. To kick things off, let's demystify mind mapping. It is a seasoned mind mapping expert to shed light on the art and science of mind mapping. Mind mapping is not just a visual technique. It's a cognitive tool that mirrors the way our minds naturally work. By visually organizing thoughts and ideas, we stimulate both hemispheres of the brain, fostering creativity and improving decision-making processes. Mind mapping for decision-making. Let's explore how mind mapping can be a game changer in decision-making. For example, consider a mind map when facing a career decision. By branching out your skills, interests, and goals, you gain a holistic view that can guide your path. In business, mind mapping can be instrumental in strategic planning. We'll explore how organizations use mind maps to analyze options and make informed decisions. 1. Mind mapping allows individuals to visually organize potential options and outcomes when faced with a decision. Each branch can represent a different choice or alternative. 2. By using nodes and branches, key factors and considerations related to a decision can be laid out systematically, aiding in a comprehensive analysis. 3. Mind maps can include branches dedicated to the pros and cons of each option, facilitating a clear understanding of the potential benefits and drawbacks. 4. Connections between various factors and options are easily depicted, providing clarity on how different elements relate to one another. Mind mapping for creativity. 1. Mind mapping is an excellent tool for brainstorming creative ideas. The non-linear structure allows for the free flow of thoughts and associations, sparking innovative thinking. 2. Through the use of branches and connectors, seemingly unrelated concepts can be linked, encouraging creative associations and the generation of unique insights. 3. Mind maps visually represent the relationships between ideas, fostering a deeper understanding of the connections and possibilities within a creative project. 4. When working on a creative endeavor, mind mapping helps organize and structure thoughts in a way that is visually appealing and easy to follow. Take the first step by creating your own mind map today. Thank you for joining us. Until next time, may your mind maps guide you to better decisions and boundless creativity.